Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I'm Wanda, and we're going to be showing you a way to fix supper, a quick, easy meal using your canned goods. Lots of people ask all the time, hey, how do you make a meal and make it taste good and not just open a jar and heat it up? Well, some of the jars we are going to be just opening, heating, and adding a little seasoning. Some of them we're going to take to the next level. First off, a jar of green beans. We're going to open these, add in some seasoning, heat them up. Quick, easy, ready to go. Potatoes. These are new potatoes with the peeling on them. We're going to open the jar, heat them up, add a little bit of butter, salt, and pepper, stir them up a little. Fresh potatoes. Really good. Our mustard greens. I added some turnip roots into them, canned them. We're going to open them up, a little bit of seasoning. They're going to be good to go. And turkey. This is turkey from some of our turkeys that we processed. Took and put it in a little bit of juice. You could use chicken. You could use any meat you want. We're going to be using some pear relish, some turkey, and turning it into our meat dish. Okay, one of the first things is, these are cornbread cookies. You heard me right, cornbread cookies. What I did, and I store them in Ziploc bags in the fridge. Look at this. Cornbread cookies. I'm going to lay a couple of them out, put them in the oven, or either put them in my cast iron skillet and heat them right quick, because that's all you want to do is just heat the cookies to go with your greens and your turnip roots. Now, this recipe was really easy. All you do is you take your favorite cornbread recipe, whatever it is, mix it up. Just don't get it runny. Keep it kind of where it'll hold together. I took my cookie sheet and I spooned it out in little, like I would my cookies. Spooned it out all over it, baked them in the oven till they were done. Took them out, let them cool, and then I stored them in the Ziploc in the refrigerator. That way when I want cornbread, I don't have to have a pound of cornbread. I can have my cornbread cookies. Easy way to have cornbread for about a week or better for me. All right, so now to our really craziness. This is our turkey. This is what I have left of my pear relish. And we're going to add a little mayonnaise. Alright, so I don't want the whole jar. I'm only going to dip out a portion. And we've got some relish. I'm looking to see about how much relish I got. Okay, so that is really tender right there. I'm going to add just a little bit of mayonnaise, not much, just a little. And this is my pear relish. There's not a lot left there, so we're going to finish off the pear relish in this mixture. Now, I take these reusable lids, put on it, put it back in the refrigerator, and when I want turkey tomorrow, I will use this over the next 2 days, and it'll be in my fridge. Now, if you want salt, pepper, eggs, anything you want to add to this, alright, can be added. So we're going to take a little taste while I'm waiting on everything to heat up. And it's taken me just a couple of minutes. I'm heating up the beans and potatoes and the greens. And I'm going to stick my 2 little corn muffins in the oven for about less than 5 minutes. That is a perfect turkey salad. It's awesome. I have a fresh cucumber. Just gonna slice it up. Less than 10 minutes, we're gonna be ready to eat with a lovely meal from our canned goods. All right, pantry to table. That quick, that easy. And we have everything heated up and ready. And for dessert, I have a mixed berry muffin that I picked my own berries out in the wild because these are huckleberries and dewberries. And I made a little muffin. I heated it up when I was heating up my cornbread cookies. And y'all, I'm ready to eat. So that's how easy it is to go from your pantry to your table in 10 minutes.